In this video, we will discuss the latest 22nd July 2025 eligible occupation and job code. So this is the list which is published on gov.uk that which jobs are eligible for the skilled worker visa and which job titles are not. But let me first show you how to get to this table. So for this, you will go on gov.uk, the only genuine website, www.gov.uk. In the search section, just write skilled worker visa. Click on this one. Then you will come to this page, your job. Click on the second option, go down, and you will be able to see this section which says, check if an occupation code is eligible for this visa. When you know your occupation code, view the table of eligible jobs to see if it's included. Further, it says the table is very large. It's sorted in order of occupation code. With the smallest number at the top, you may be able to use the browser to search. If we click on this section, we will come to this page which will give us the last updated 22nd July 2025. You open this table and you will land on this page. Occupation code changed on 4th April 2024. Some code may be different from codes you have used previously. This is for those applicants who are switching. Now, if we see on this section, it says job type, chief executive and senior roles. In the center, we have related job titles. So these job titles, you are eligible. On the right side, it says eligible for skilled worker as higher skill, medium skill or ineligible. Higher skill is this one. So if we see the second one, elected officers, it says ineligible. Next one is production managers and directors, higher skill. So when it says higher skill, that means it's eligible. Production managers and directors in mining and energy, financial managers and directors, marketing, sales and advertising directors, public relation and communication directors, purchasing managers and directors, charitable organization managers and directors, human resource managers and directors, information technology directors, functional managers and directors, directors in logistic, warehouse and transport, managers and directors in retail and wholesale. Now on the right side, we can see this is medium skilled. So when you applying, you need to make sure whether you are, because medium skilled is basically temporary shortage list. So we need to understand which one we are looking for. Officers in armed forces, ineligible. Senior police officers, higher skilled. Senior officers in fire, ambulance, prison related services, health services, public health managers, social managers and directors, managers and proprietor in agriculture, horticulture, managers and proprietors in forestry, hotel and accommodation managers and proprietors. On the right side, we can see this is medium skilled. Restaurant and catering establishment managers and proprietors. On the right side, we can see this is also medium skilled. Next one is 1223, publican and managers, medium skilled. Leisure and sport managers, that's also medium skilled. Then you have travel agency managers and proprietors, that is also medium skilled. Healthcare practice managers, medium skilled. Residential, day and domiciliary care managers and proprietor, that's also medium skilled. So basically, for example, daycare managers, home care managers, residential care managers, that's all under medium skilled. Early education and child care services proprietors, that's also medium skilled. Managers in transport and distributions, airport managers, this is higher skilled one. Depot and fleet managers, dispatch and distribution managers, road traffic managers, managers in transport distribution not elsewhere classified. This is all higher skilled. Managers in shortage, storage and warehousing. So that's medium skilled. So these are two different things. Managers in storage and warehousing, this will be considered as medium, but if you coming in the job code as a dispatch and distribution manager or depot and fleet manager, that will be considered as higher skilled. Property, housing and estate managers. So when we say property, housing and estate managers, that means facilities managers, landlords, property and housing managers, property investors and developers, sales and letting managers, shopping center managers, property, housing, estate managers. This is all medium skilled. Next one is garage managers and proprietors. That's also medium skill. Hairdressing, beauty salon managers. That's also medium skill. Waste disposal and environmental service managers. That is higher skill. So if you're coming as a recycling manager, if you're coming as a scrapyard manager, sewerage work and water treatment manager, this is all higher skill. Managers and directors in creative industries. This is all higher skill. Betting shop and gambling establishment managers. So, for example, casino manager, betting shop manager, etc. This is all medium skill. Higher service managers and proprietors. That's medium skilled as well. Directors in consultancy services, that's medium skilled. Consultancy services, when we say, we're talking about design consultancy director, environmental consultancy director, these are all medium skilled. Managers and proprietor in other services not elsewhere classified, so library managers, funeral directors, cleaning and hygiene service manager, this is all medium skilled. Chemical scientist, this is higher skill. Biological scientist, higher skill. Biochemist and biomedical student, that's also higher skill. Physical scientist, for example, geologist, for example, meteorologist, etc. That's all higher skilled. Social and humanities scientist, higher skilled. Natural and social science professionals not elsewhere classified, higher skilled. Civil engineers, higher skilled. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, electronical engineers, production and process engineers, aerospace engineers, engineering project managers, engineering professional elsewhere not classified. These are all higher skilled, which I'm discussing now. Clinical engineers, energy engineers, food technologists, gas engineers, heating and ventilating engineers. All these engineering fields are higher skilled. IT project managers, IT information managers, IT managers, software development, these are all higher skilled. Computer analyst, scientist, data architecture, data engineer, IT system architect, IT business analyst, computing program designers, computing programmers, software developers, these are all higher skilled. Cyber operational defense, cyber security management, system security, cyber security not elsewhere classified, these are all higher skilled. IT quality and testing professionals, IT professional network, DevOps engineers, application designers, graphics and multimedia designers, these are also highly skilled. So multimedia animator, graphic and multimedia designer not elsewhere classified. Conservation professional, so this is also higher skilled. Environmental professionalist, research and development managers, other research, unspecified discipline, specialist medical practitioner, these are all higher skilled. Occupational therapist, speech, so I'll keep going with this list, you can see instead of reading every one of them. So I'll stop when I'll see the medium skilled, because we have most of them are high skilled jobs. So higher education, teaching professionals. So if you're coming as a teacher, like, teacher of art, teacher of biology, this is all higher skilled. Primary education, this is also higher skilled. So all these are higher skilled. Okay, now we have another medium, which is early education and childcare services manager. This is medium skilled. So these are all higher skilled. Chartered accountant, so if you're coming as credit analyst, these are all higher skilled. So I'll stop when I'll see ineligible. Okay, this is ineligible. So clergy, if you're coming as clergy, that's ineligible. Then librarians, even librarians are high skilled. So some people keep exaggerating that there are no job codes left that you can come. That's not the case. We can see that there are loads. So even if you come doing graphics designing, you can come. Laboratory technicians, so medium skilled. That's technicians basically we are talking about. Electrical and electronic technicians, that's also medium skill. But this is limited, but there is if you're coming as an engineer, then it's above. Medium skilled engineering technicians, medium skilled building and civil engineering technicians. These are all medium skill. Planning process production technicians, science engineering, CAD drawing, IT business, IT operations technicians. So this is also, so for example, game testers. But if you're coming as a game engineer, then that's higher skill. So IT support, user support technician, that's medium skill. Database administrator, that's medium skill. Dispensing opticians, medium skill. Pharmaceutical technicians, these are medium skilled, all of them. I'll keep going. That's medium skill. Ineligible, so non-commissioned officers and other ranks. Okay, that makes sense. That's ineligible. Police constables, police sergeant, that's all sergeant, they are all medium skilled. Firefighters, medium skilled. So these are medium skilled, medium skilled, medium skilled, high skilled. Art consultant. So these are studio and stage manager, arts officer. So this one is ineligible. So sports player. If you're coming as a sports player, basketball coaches, cricket coaches, football coaches, these are all ineligible. And then we have, let's see for the ineligible codes. These are all medium skilled, medium skilled, medium skilled, medium skilled. Bookkeepers. So bookkeepers, accounting clerk, bookkeepers, payroll managers, these are medium skilled. Ineligible, bank and post office clerks. Finance officer, that's medium. Revenue assistant, and then ineligible is record clerk and assistant. These are ineligible. So medium skilled, pensioners, claim handlers. The ineligible is stock control clerk and assistant. That's ineligible. Library clerk, ineligible. Recruitment administrators, training administrators, these are ineligible. Call center manager, that's medium skilled. Medium skilled. Sales administrator is also medium skilled. Data entry administrator, that's also ineligible. Business administrator, church administrator, proofreaders, property administrator, that's medium skill. Medical secretaries, ineligible. Legal secretaries, school secretaries, these are ineligible. Receptionists, ineligible. Then we have this list over here. I'll keep going down. I'll stop where we have the ineligible. So there are loads of medium skilled ones we can see, and it's always better to come for the high skilled ones because then you can bring your family with you. So ineligible. So mole catchers, pest control officers, that's ineligible. Then okay, medium skilled subject to listed conditions. Now which one is care workers and home carers? Okay, carers are not allowed to come from outside the UK anymore. That's why 6136, 6135, these are the two codes. It also says senior care workers are also not allowed to come from outside the UK. Ineligible, these two bookmakers, film and television runners, assistant, these are all ineligible. Travel agents, ineligible. Holiday representative, tourist information assistant, barbers, hairdressers. So this list goes on further. Okay, bed and breakfast, guest house owners and proprietors. Medium skilled, extending in the same occupation only. So if you're extending in the same occupation, that's only allowed, but you are not allowed to issue new CUS. Medium skilled, ineligible. Car park attendant, these are ineligible. Sales and retail assistant, ineligible. Retail cashier, ineligible. So these ones are gone. Let's go further. Sales supervisor, retail and wholesale, medium skilled. So there's no point of applying for that. Medium skilled. So we are trying to figure it out which one is best to apply. So the one which are in higher skill, it's always better to apply. The one in ineligible, obviously you are not allowed to apply skilled worker visa in that category. So these ones are all ineligible. It's always better to see this list. You can pause if it's something which you are interested in the job code. So these are all ineligible ones. Window cleaners, street cleaners, vehicle cleaners. So these are all ineligible ones. Kitchen assistant. This is another one which applicant do ask. So bar staff, waiter, waitress, coffee shop workers. These are all on this list ends over here. 9269 is the last one, and that's also ineligible.